Hello guys, this is Deepak Pandey and I am here to discuss one more question which were asked in previous year AKT examination of electrical machine 1. So today's question is write the voltage equation of DC motor. So to discuss about the DC motor voltage equation, we are going to consider the equivalent circuit of a DC motor which is as given in the figure. So this is the equivalent circuit of DC motor. We have considered the armature circuit. In armature circuit, what is there? EB is the back EMF, IA is the direction of current which is from voltage applied to the terminals and towards the back EMF. When we extend this circuit, so this circuit is looking like this, where RA is the armature resistance and this equivalent circuit may be replaced by this circuit. Okay, next thing is when we apply KVL in the circuit, that means KVL in this circuit, we get the voltage equation like this: V equals to EB plus IA into RA. So we are applying KVL here, where V, EB, IA and RA have their respective meanings. V is the supply voltage, EB is the back EMF, IA is the armature current, RA is the armature resistance of the armature circuit. If we are going to consider the brush contact drop, if there is brush contact drop, then the brush contact drop may be replaced by this. The representation of brush contact drop is here. So with the help of brush contact drop, we can replace V equals to EB plus IARA plus VB. So this is the voltage equation of a DC motor. For example, we are going to extend the question for our knowledge. So then we are considering each and every motor case. So first thing is shunt wound motor. We have studied in previous lectures that shunt wound case and separately excited both are nearby the same cases. तो यहाँ हम शंट बॉन्ड के लिए बात करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ शंट बॉन्ड और द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ शंट बॉन्ड. सो फॉर फील्ड करंट, फील्ड सर्किट के लिए हमारे पास में जो आ रहा है वोल्टेज इक्वेशन, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस सर्किट. सो व्हेन वी अप्लाई द वोल्टेज KVL, then V equals to ISH into RSH, where ISH is the current passes to the field resistance and RSH is the value of resistance of the field circuit. And for the armature circuit, that means we are talking about this particular circuit. So this particular circuit, the voltage equation V equals to EB plus IA into RA. Next thing is, now moving on the series bound. So this is the simple construction of the series bound, where RAC is the resistance of series field, and now if we apply the voltage equation, then KVL, after KVL we have the voltage equation V equals to EB plus IA and the resistance here. So these two resistance are in series, so the drop will be IA multiplied by RA plus RAC. Next, moving on the compound wound generator. So first case is the long shunt. This is the basic construction of the long shunt, and if we are going to apply the field circuit KVL in the field circuit, that means in this circuit, then we have voltage equals to ISH into RSH. तो voltage की वैल्यू, voltage equation यहाँ पे आएगी the product of the field resistance and the current passes through the field circuit. और जब हम armature circuit के लिए बात करेंगे, that means we are talking about this particular circuit, then the armature, in the armature circuit we have the voltage equation V equals to EB plus IA in bracket RA plus RAC. And if we are moving on the short shunt, so this is the basic construction of short shunt, then the voltage equation for field circuit V equals to IRSC plus ISH plus RSH, and for the armature circuit V equals to EB plus IA RA plus RAC. This question were asked in the question paper of 2018 and 19. Continue with us for more questions and their answers. Thank you. This video lecture series will help you to perform well in university examination as well as to improve your concept. So please subscribe the channel और प्रेस बेल बटन जिससे आपको टाइमली आने वाले वीडियोस की इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द